LiteCoin breaking through $60 today or last night or whatever you want to call it. LiteCoin going to the moon or semi to the moon. I'm up over 40% on my swing trade. I made a video talking about this swing trade back, 2 or 3 weeks ago, talking about this and what I was looking for, that move from $40 to $80. Well, we're almost halfway there. Well, kind of halfway there. We are halfway there. Talking about this trade, what I was looking at, and the overall trend right now, what's going on in cryptocurrency, and all that fun stuff in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. What's going on, cryptocurrency fanatics, day traders, swing traders, subscribers, whatever you want to call yourselves? Welcome back to the channel. If you're just now tuning in for the first time, welcome to the Patrick Wieland experience, where we talk about stocks, day trading, cryptocurrency, futures, and all of that fun stuff. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You never know when the next video is going to come out next. And I got some really cool videos coming out really soon. But let's talk about the action here, cryptocurrency. Now, one thing that I want to mention here is look at this blue line. This is the daily chart. We're looking at the daily chart here, my friends. And look at this blue line right here. What's going on with this blue line? Are you seeing anything? Are you seeing anything happening here? I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's look back. Okay. So this is a 200-day moving average. Back there in December of 2017, obviously we started to rise pretty rapidly, and we didn't get to bounce, and we've had trouble ever since. We've basically been held below the 200-day moving average for quite some time. We had a couple little spikes back above, but if you can see overall what's happening here, you can't see it now because my head's in the way. Let me move my head over here. Now you can see it. All right, so you can see what's happening with this blue line. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. We got this move just suddenly dropping off. You know, this is 2018, and ever since 2018, it's just been going lower and lower and lower, and the overall price of LiteCoin has stayed below the moving average for quite some time. But look at this, my friends. Look at this. What are we seeing? For the first time, we are now turning that 200-day moving average into support. We broke above the 200-day moving average right here. We pulled back to the 200-day moving average, and we found support, and we started to head higher. Now, that's an interesting idea, right? So it's interesting to see that for the last 2 years, we've basically not seen this type of move above the 200-day moving average, and then also starting to see the 200-day moving average start to flatten out and almost point back higher. It's getting there. It wants to start to point higher. It's trying. It's looking like it. So we'll see what happens here the next couple weeks. But right now, the 200-day moving average is flattening out there and starting to, think about curling back up. But this morning, LiteCoin hitting $61.58, almost $62. You can see my entry. We talked about in the last video with the LiteCoin trade. I was buying down here in the $40 area because of that move, getting above that resistance there, and then turning that higher low into support there at $40. And I'm still riding it along here, riding along and looking for that move up there to $80 for that 100% move. And you can see today, I'll go a little bit smaller time frame, that breakout above $60 was a key area. That $60 area was a key area. We had trouble getting above $60 for a couple days, having trouble there. You can see just kind of moving in this channel higher, and now today up there to $62. So not bad. Not bad so far. I don't want to jinx myself here. I don't want to jinx it. I feel pretty good. I'm in the green. Pretty much from here on out, it's nothing but green, green, green. And I wanted to share with you guys kind of an update, and I thought it was interesting how the 200-day moving average was starting to show that support there and starting to curl higher. LiteCoin, Bitcoin, basically the same exact charts right now. You got a little bit of difference in the charts, but overall the trend is pretty similar. And LiteCoin this morning breaking out, Bitcoin breaking out, basically all the cryptocurrencies making moves today. It's interesting because yesterday Coinbase came out with news that they were going to start changing some of the stuff on their platform. I'm not sure if that's the exact reason that cryptocurrency started to make a rally, because Coinbase came out saying there was no longer going to be any stop market orders. So now you can only trade with a stop limit order. Not sure. I'm not going to say that's the reason exactly, but it's interesting to see that the news came out yesterday that Coinbase, one of the largest exchanges, is going to stop market orders. No more stop market. So if you get stopped out, you have to have a limit. You can't use a market order, which happens basically, thinking about like if a stop gets hit and everybody's market ordering, there's going to be a huge drop because everyone's trying to get out at the best price, but it's all just going lower and lower and lower really quickly. Where with like a limit order, if you don't get filled, you don't get filled. You're not going to just drop another $10. You're not going to get these big panic drops as frequently, which obviously we can still get a lot of volatility, but Coinbase is trying to reduce some of that volatility by removing the idea of having a stop market order. And also some other things as well. They're changing the tick size and there's all kinds of stuff going on with Coinbase right now, but interesting to see kind of how that correlates, if it correlates or if it does not correlate. I know you guys love the word correlate, but there it is. LiteCoin making moves today, up 5%. We're making that move higher. We're following the channel. Look how nicely we got this little channel going on here. If this channel holds true here, we're looking like we probably see the move up here to the $60, $64, $65 area. I'm looking for a bit of a pullback from there. I'd like to see us just kind of hold above this $56 area, $55. Kind of find some more support there. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we can hold above 60. But overall, you can see the channel right now. It's kind of forming, and we'll see what happens. But right now, I'm looking pretty good. And I want to put this video out there for an update for you guys. If you're just now tuning in, you can watch the other video that I made back there a couple weeks ago talking about my plan with LiteCoin and why I was buying, why I was looking for that move higher, and all that fun stuff. I'm up over 40% when everybody else was commenting and saying that Bitcoin, LiteCoin was dead. It was going to zero. Well, right now, for now, I'm up 40% on this swing trade. So I'll take it. So there it is. If you guys are still watching and you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.